My name's Cam, and pretty much I show people how to make money online. Long story short, I've been dropshipping for right around 3 years, and everything that I've learned, I pretty much smush it all up together and I put it inside of this YouTube channel. So, from scaling my store to over 6 figures, to growing out my Instagram page to over 100,000 followers, and private labeling one of my brands, I show you guys pretty much how to do all of these same things in this channel, while at the same time creating the lifestyle that you can fall in love with. So this sounds like something you guys be interested in. Like, feel free to hit the subscribe button and check out a few of my videos. Everything I do is like 100% free. I don't sell any courses, I don't sell any workshops, I don't sell like any private masterminds. Again, everything is 100% free. I'm trying to build a community that not only you guys will love, but something that also everyone else can fall in love with as well, by teaching people what it means to be financially free. So thank you guys, and I hope to see you soon.